After the age of 60, something happens to your legs that most people never see coming, and yet it has the power to shape how you move, how you feel, and even how long you stay independent. Your legs quietly lose up to 1% of their muscle strength every single year, even if you're relatively healthy. And if you're missing key nutrients or not digesting them, well, that decline can happen even faster. But here's the encouraging part. Your body actually has a built-in repair system designed to restore and rebuild your muscles while you sleep. Most people don't realize how powerful this system is or how much control they have over it. The real problem is that your body can't repair anything if the right building blocks aren't available during the hours when your muscles need them most. And that window is at night when you're sleeping, when your repair hormones are high, and when your muscles should be rebuilding instead of breaking down. Your legs aren't just there to help you walk. They're your foundation. They keep you balanced, protect you from falls, and support every single movement you make throughout the day. So when the strength in your legs drops, you feel it in little ways at first. Maybe it takes a little more effort to get up from a chair. Maybe you feel a small wobble on a surface that used to feel easy, or you suddenly find yourself getting tired halfway through a walk you used to breeze through. But over time, these small changes add up, and your world can become smaller, not because you choose it, but because your body can't do what it once did. I've seen this happen too many times. And I've also seen the transformation that occurs when someone over 60 gives their body the right tools at the right time. Now, let me share something that surprises most people. Your muscles don't grow or strengthen when you exercise. In fact, they're breaking down during exercise. The real growth and repair happen at night during deep restorative sleep. This is when your body releases growth hormone, repairs damaged muscle fibers, and refills the energy stores inside your cells. But your body can only rebuild with the nutrients available to it. If the right vitamins and minerals aren't circulating in your bloodstream when this repair window opens, the body simply makes do with what it has. And when the supply isn't enough, your body starts robbing from your existing muscle tissue to keep essential functions going. That means more muscle loss instead of muscle growth. And this is why nighttime nutrition becomes incredibly important for anyone over 60 who wants stronger legs and better mobility. Think of your body at night like a construction team. Ready to work, they're standing by, they're equipped, the blueprint is ready. But if no building materials arrive, the project can't move forward in your body. Those materials are specific nutrients that support muscle strength, nerve communication, and energy production. But here's another challenge as you age. Your ability to absorb nutrients declines, stomach acid levels drop, digestive enzymes become less efficient, and even if you're eating healthy foods, you may not be getting all the nutrients out of them. Add stress, poor sleep, and certain medications, and your nutrient reserves can drop even lower. This is one of the reasons people over 60 often notice their legs getting weaker, even when they're doing everything right. I've seen many people who stay active, eat what they believe is a balanced diet, and yet still struggle with declining leg strength simply because they're missing critical nutrients during those nighttime hours when the body's trying to repair. But once those nutrients are restored, once they start getting them at the right time, things change. People wake up less stiff. They feel more stable when they stand. And after a few weeks, they start noticing real improvement. Longer walks feel easier. Steps feel more manageable. And that push with the hands to get out of a chair suddenly it's not needed anymore. Now, I'm not talking about random supplements or mega doses of the latest trendy vitamin. What actually works is targeted science-backed nutrients taken in a way that matches how your body works at night. And before we get into what those nutrients are, you first need to understand why your legs weaken after 60. In the first place, the number one reason is age-related muscle loss, what we call sarcopenia. This isn't just about shrinking muscles. It's about the quality of the muscle fibers changing. Over time, your body loses more of the fast twitch fibers, the fibers responsible for balance, power, and quick reactions. These are the fibers that help you catch yourself if you trip or help you step up onto a curb with confidence. And when these fibers disappear, your legs become slower, weaker, and less responsive. But sarcopenia is just one piece of the puzzle. Circulation to the lower body can also become less efficient after 60. Your heart has to work harder to push blood all the way down to your legs and back again. And if your arteries become stiff or narrow, less oxygen and fewer nutrients reach those muscles. Without that steady supply, your legs simply can't perform at their best. This is when you may notice soreness that lingers longer than it used to, or fatigue that appears faster than you expect. On top of that, hormone levels decline as you age. Growth hormone and testosterone, players in muscle maintenance, naturally drop. And if your nutrition isn't supporting those systems, it accelerates the rate of muscle loss even more. Something else that often gets overlooked is nerve health. Your muscles don't contract on their own. They rely on nerve signals that originate in your brain and travel through your spinal cord down to your legs. As you get older, the efficiency of these nerve signals can decline. The communication becomes slower or less coordinated, and this makes your legs feel weaker, even if the muscle fibers are still capable of working. This is where certain vitamins become absolutely essential for maintaining quick, strong, and accurate nerve function. Another factor is that your recovery capacity simply changes. When you were younger, your body could repair a tough workout almost overnight. But after 60, your repair systems work more slowly if you don't give your body the raw materials it needs and enough rest to use them. The breakdown from your daily activities begins to outpace the rebuilding process. That leads to more soreness, slower recovery, and a gradual loss of strength over time. The encouraging part is that every one of these changes can be supported with the right nutrients and smart lifestyle adjustments. And the most effective time to deliver those nutrients is at night, when your body enters deep sleep and shifts into full repair mode during the day. Your muscles are in a breakdown state simply from moving, climbing stairs, walking, or even just standing for long periods. But at night, the body gears up to repair those microscopic tears, rebuild fibers, and growth hormone peaks during deep sleep. Protein synthesis ramps up, and your entire repair system kicks into action. But none of that can happen efficiently if the key vitamins and minerals aren't present when your body needs them. The first vitamin that plays a powerful role here is magnesium. And I call it the relaxation mineral for a reason. Magnesium helps muscles release tension, reduces cramps, and supports deeper sleep. But it also plays an essential part in protein synthesis, the process that rebuilds muscle fibers. If your magnesium levels are too low, this repair process slows down over time. That can lead to weaker muscles and slower recovery. Magnesium is also vital for energy production inside your muscle cells. Without enough of it, your legs can feel heavy or tired even on days when you haven't done much. And magnesium supports nerve function by regulating how signals travel between your nerves and muscles. This is why low magnesium can lead to twitching, restless legs, or nighttime cramps. People over 60 are especially at risk for magnesium deficiency because stomach acid and digestive efficiency decline with age. Modern diets often lack magnesium-rich foods, and certain medications can deplete it even more, and that's why a magnesium glycinate supplement taken 30 to 60 minutes before bed can make such a noticeable difference. It's gentle on the stomach, highly absorbable, and perfectly timed for your body's repair window, and pairing it with a white protein snack like a boiled egg. A few spoonfuls of Greek yogurt or a handful of pumpkin seeds gives your body both amino acids and minerals right when it needs them. The second vitamin is vitamin D. Most people think of vitamin D for bone health, but it's also crucial for muscle strength. Your muscles have vitamin D receptors, and when those receptors are activated, your muscles contract more efficiently. Without enough vitamin D, your legs may feel weak, unstable, or easily fatigued. Vitamin D also helps your body absorb calcium, which isn't just a bone-building mineral. Calcium is what triggers your muscles to contract. If calcium levels are low because vitamin D is low, those muscle contractions become weaker. As we age, it becomes harder to make vitamin D from sunlight, and many older adults spend more time indoors or use sunscreen, which blocks vitamin D production. Taking vitamin D with dinner, especially with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil, improves absorption and supports overnight recovery. The third vitamin is vitamin B12. This nutrient is essential for nerve health and muscle coordination. B12 helps build and maintain the protective coating around your nerves, allowing signals to travel quickly and accurately. Without enough B12, those signals slow down or misfire, causing weakness, imbalance, or even numbness in the legs. B12 is also necessary for the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your muscles. When B12 is low, oxygen delivery drops and your legs fatigue quickly. Because stomach acid declines with age, and because acid is needed to extract B12 from food, many people over 60 become deficient. A sublingual B12 supplement bypasses this issue and delivers the vitamin directly into your bloodstream. Taking it before bed allows your nervous system to repair and restore itself while you sleep. Putting this routine into action is simple. Take magnesium before bed with a small protein snack to prepare your muscles for deep recovery. Take vitamin D with your evening meal, especially if your levels are low, and take a sublingual B12 supplement at night to support strong nerve signals. Add 5 to 10 minutes of light stretching before bed to increase blood flow to your legs. This gentle routine, done consistently, supports stronger, steadier legs, better balance, and greater confidence with every step you take.